In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 things that every trader should be doing. And this doesn't matter whether you've just started trading or been trading for a while and still not profitable, or just sort of clawing about, making a little bit and wanting to make proper progress. So my name's Giles and I've been trading for a year and a bit, and I've just found the key to it basically, and I'm starting to make really good money, which is what it's all about, let's be honest. So 3 things. The 3 things are a good prop firm. I recommend TenTrade. Journaling, so important, and the bit that holds it all together, ExpetHub. So let's dive deep into all of those things. So this is TenTrade, and as you can see, it's a prop firm, and you can buy accounts from $3,000 up to $500,000. There's 2 ways to work with this prop firm. So you can either just have a funded account, meaning that you trade with those amounts, or if you're thinking, well, I haven't got the money to trade with that big an account, then you can have a challenge account. Where a challenge account works is you hit the 10% profit margin over a period of time. It can't be too short and it can't be too few trades. But when you hit that 10% mark, you can then either trade with that value, or you can scale up so that you're trading with a higher value on a challenge account until you get to that £500,000 account. Let's have a quick look. So you register for the account. That's really straightforward and easy. You pass the 10% profit target. If you fail, and that means going below 10% loss, then the account closes. As simple as that. There are rules to the account that you have to stick by, and if you break those rules, then chances are the profit will be gone. You'll start again. But then you get a chance, as I said, get a real funded account and start trading with their funds. You need to be journaling what the trade was, what the time of day the trade was, your risk to reward ratio, and your entry, stop loss, and profit. They've all got to be logged, because the thing about trading, as you're probably aware, it's a numbers game to a large extent. You're never going to win every single trade, but you can increase the amount of trades that you do win by doing journaling. You can have a look and say, well, last time I traded at, for example, 4 p.m, we lost. So this time I'm not going to trade at 4 p.m. Or over a period of time, it was always 11 a.m. that we won at when we took that trade. So we're more likely to win at that point in time. Now, the thing is about trading, it doesn't matter how good your prop firm is, and it doesn't matter how good your journaling is. If your execution is wrong, then you're still not going to get that profit that you want, which is where the glue that holds it all together comes in, and that is ExpetHub. So this is ExpetHub, and ExpetHub is your #1 trading partner, and I'll tell you why. Because there is no monthly subscription. You're not shelling out month after month after month for some stuff that you're not going to use, and other stuff that you might use, but you're not really going to get your head around it. You've got real-time live classes. You've got real-time win-to-loss ratios, and you can see exactly what's going on, and none of it is expensive at all. So let's have a quick look at, for example, the signals. This was a sell stop on US 500 that I took. I haven't clicked the actual take trade, but I did take it, and you can see all the numbers here. I didn't take the BTC USD one, which was unlockable for 2XP. 1XP is about $1, and as you can see, I can't see the entry or stop loss. So you know what you're taking, you know the strategy as well. There's a swing shift there. This is an LBS plus, and you might be thinking, what are those? I'll dive into that in a minute. And so you know the strategy, you know how much it's going to cost, you take the trade, and when you do take it, you have a look and you can actually see the strategy on the actual graph on TradingView. We can see that. We can click in a bit further if you want to have a look at it and see exactly what's going on with it, and the actual where you're taking it, the trade, and your stop loss and your profit and all that sort of stuff. And here are all the courses. So you've got your Forex basics. This is for your real beginners, letting you know all about Forex and how it works. You've got high frequency Forex, which is a different way of trading, binary, which is super good, market structure, London breakout, and approach to trading. All of these, yes, they cost a bit of money, but it's not a stupid amount of money. The most expensive course is 65 XP. Like I say, that's about $65. And because there's no monthly subscription, it's yours forever. Every time you log on to ExpetHub, you can have a look at that. That's even if you've been inactive on there for 5-10 years. It doesn't matter. It's still yours to look at. So there's a link to TenTrade and there's a link to ExpetHub in the comments and in the description of this video. Please click on those. In the meantime, please like this video if you found it useful. Let me know what you're using at the moment, how that's working for you in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to be a successful trader.